Hi guys, in this video I would like to cover a situation where you have a product targeting campaign and you're hoping to target only your competitors or your own listings. And what you end up having is that actually you're spending not only targeting product pages of your competitors, but actually the keywords that they are ranked. And it can seem like there's no way out of this, but watch me explain how to do it. And by the end of this video, you'll be surprised how it's an easy fix. And I keep seeing people getting surprised that there's actually a solution to this. So bear with me. Here you can see a classic product targeting campaign where we're targeting competitors over we have some kind of a competitive advantage, being the ratings, the reviews, or just the quality of our product display pages. And we have a solid results. So these are all products in exact product targeting, so not expanded, exact, because we want to target these specific products. When you opt in, when you add new products to target and select expanded, which is by default, be careful, then you will actually target all the similar products to the ones that you added. But if you want to target specific products, specific ASINs of your competitors, be sure to select exact product targeting. Now, what we will end up having is that I will show you how the actual search term look like. So here we are in the search terms tab. And what you can see here is that even though that we have product targets selected over here, we can see the match product are actually okay, and that aligns with what we want to target. But there are plenty of search terms appearing over here, which is not ideal. Even though that if we end up having good results on it. I mean, here's the sale after one click, and it ended up with an ACOS of 1%, which is cool, but we don't want this. We want to target specifically product targets. We don't want to appear on search terms. And if you, for example, want to add this as a negative search term, you cannot do that. You can only select it and add it as a product target or as a negative product target, because this is product targeting campaign, which is obvious. That would make sense if I want to exclude a certain product target and add it as a negative product. I think it was added this year. No, sorry, not this year, the 2024 last year. And still I get surprised by how many people are still not aware that there's an easy fix to this. So bear with me how we're going to do it. In negative targeting, you can see that we can only add certain ASINs here that we don't want to target. And there's no option to add negative search terms. But solution to this is just go one step higher and go to the campaign level negative keywords, and you will see that there's actually that option available over there. I stepped away to the campaign level. As you can see, we are outside of the ad groups, but on the campaign level, there's an option to add negative keywords. We already have one added here. So just click add negative keywords, add your negative keywords, and there you go. You will have your campaign structured correctly and excluded whatever you don't want to be there. So every such term needs to be excluded on a campaign level, and every product target needs to be excluded product targeting level, and that is ad group level. I hope you found this information useful. Pass it on to everybody and help them save a ton of money. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next video. Bye bye, guys.